Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert a line in Google Sheets. This is a useful feature when you want to visually separate data, create custom diagrams, or add emphasis to specific sections of your spreadsheet. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're on that page, go ahead and log into your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google files and folders are organized. From here, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to insert the line. This will open your Google Sheets document in a new window ready for editing. Now that your spreadsheet is open, click on any cell within the sheet. This step is important because it activates the menu options at the top of the screen. Once you've selected a cell, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Drawing. This will open up a separate drawing window where you can create and customize your line. The Drawing tab should now be visible on your screen. At the top of this drawing interface, you'll see several shape and line options. Click on the line icon to begin creating your line. To draw the line, simply click and drag across the canvas area. Here's a helpful tip. If you want to create a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical line, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while you drag. This constrains the line to straight angles, making it much easier to achieve clean, professional-looking results. While your line is still selected, you can customize its appearance. On the top toolbar, look for the line weight icon and click on it. This allows you to select the thickness of your line, giving you control over how bold or subtle you want it to appear in your spreadsheet. Choose the weight that best suits your needs. Right beside the line weight option, you'll notice another icon that lets you change the line style. Click on this to choose whether you want your line to be solid, dotted, dashed, or any other available style. This customization can be particularly useful when you need to differentiate between different types of separators or when following specific formatting guidelines. Once you're satisfied with how your line looks, click on Save and Close. This will insert the line directly into your Google Sheets document. You now have a fully customized line that you can move around, resize, or edit further if needed. And there you have it, you've successfully inserted a line into your Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.